Hello, my name is Jarret Stoll. I'm the Disability Resources Coordinator for the Disability Resources Department. And what our department does is provide accommodations for students who have a documented disability so they can be more successful in the classroom. The first step to applying for a program is to go to the Disability Resources website and click on the Request for Support form. All accommodations are individualized, but some common accommodations that we see quite often are note-taking accommodation for students who have difficulty taking notes. If you have difficulty reading, we have a program on the computer that can read your textbooks to you. Some testing accommodations would include extra time on tests, quieter testing environment. So it all varies depending on our conversation and the documentation that you provide. Please remember that this process can take up to 4 weeks to complete, so we always encourage students to apply sooner rather than later. If this is something you guys are interested in, please stop by our office. We are located back behind the computer lab in room 112C and 112B. And you can also find our contact information on the Disability Resources website. Thank you.